Hello to everyone. I am an English teacher, Valentina Georgievna Mishina, Lysakovsk, Kostanay region. My lesson is for the students of grade 9. The number of the lesson is 18. The theme of today's lesson is the world of science. Our learning goals are the following. The first one is developing skills in reading and understanding information about science. The second one, getting acquainted with new words related to different fields of science. If it is difficult for you to understand some words or sentences, you may stop the presentation at any time you need, work with a dictionary, and then go on your working with the presentation. Now let's review some language material. You began studying different sciences when you started going to school. You heard the names of sciences and scientists in Russian first, and then you learned them in English. Now let's review these words. Repeat after me, please. Biology, biologist. Mathematics, mathematician. Chemistry, chemist. Physics, physicist. Geography, geographer. History, historian. Astronomy, astronomer. All these sciences are studied by the school children at school. But there are a lot of other sciences in the world. Their names are not difficult to understand because most of these words are international. You don't study them at school, but you heard something about them. But I am sure that some names of sciences are unknown to you, and now you can learn them. First, let's read the word combinations in column A. Study of universe, study of air, study of virus, study of earth, study of birds, study of languages, study of bones, study of eyes, study of cancers, study of fruits. Now read the words in column B. Virology, philology, ornithology, aerology, cosmology, geology, oncology, pulmonology, osteology, ophthalmology. Please do the task on the slide. Match the words in column A with the words in column B. You may stop the presentation and work individually. After that, you will be able to check yourself on slide 4. Here you can see the keys to the exercise. I am sure you were a success. Now it's the time to learn new words on the theme. Please work in your vocabularies. I will read the words and you will write them down in your vocabularies. Let's begin. Humanity, человечество. To explore, исследовать. To get acquainted with. Познакомиться с. To make a discovery. Сделать открытие. To invent. Изобрести. Satellite. Спутник. Equipment. Снаряжение, оборудование. Breakthrough. Прорыв. To broaden. Расширить. Let's read the words again. Humanity. To explore. To get acquainted with. To make a discovery. To invent. Satellite. Equipment. Breakthrough. To broaden. You can learn these words by heart after our lesson. The next stage of our lesson is reading practice. Read the text and do the exercise below. The exercise is on the next slide. Let's read. We are living in a world of science and technologies now, and can't remember our life being different. The humanity has made many discoveries and invented lots of mechanisms and devices which have made our life easier. We got acquainted with light and sound. Scientists explored their characteristics which helped us to use them effectively. The radio, the TV, the telephone was invented, and we can be in touch with each other. Learn about what is happening in our native city and all over the world. The humanity never stopped on the way to unexplored places and even planets. We invented a satellite and made a rocket to travel to the moon and round the Earth. Special equipment lets us make photos of the faraway planets and study their environment. Cosmology has been constantly developing. The most recent breakthrough in science and technology is supposed to be the Internet. It has broadened our abilities and opened new horizons. We connect with people from other countries without any problems. Search for any information and get it in one click, and have many other opportunities accessing the net from our smartphones, tablets, and computers. Now you can read the text again and do the task on the next slide. Choose the appropriate title for each paragraph. Sciences help us in our everyday life. The most recent technology. The world of science and technology. Traveling in space. Here, on this slide, you can do self-check. There are 4 keys to the task. There are many science laboratories, science centers in different countries all over the world. One of them is situated in Glasgow, Scotland. There is one more interesting place to learn about science. It is Evrekam in Almaty, Kazakhstan. You should read about these science centers in your student's book, Grade 9, page 107. After reading the text, do exercise 2 on page 107. You may find much useful information about science on the internet. Continue your studying individually. Some website addresses are here. Good luck to everyone. Thank you for your attention.